So this is the video I have posted in my YouTube channel, and there I got a interesting comment. Like, he was confused about how to add two animation videos in a single website and how to structure them. So I have explained that in comment, but he insisted that he want me to create a complete tutorial video of explaining how to structure. So today's videos is all about how to create the two animation video in a one website. So I have already created that. So this is a website I have created using two animation videos in a single website. The first animation video is in the hero section. When we scroll, you can see. And then when we go down in the project section, you can see another animation video which has a glasswide project showing section. Okay, and in this website I have added a two animation video, and I'm going to show you the exact workflow I used to create this website. So let's get started. So first, let's create the assets. For that, I'm going to be using this particular image to create the start frame, then animation for the hero section, and then create another frame to create the animation for the about section. Okay, let's start by doing that. So to create the frames and animation, I'm going to be using the flow. Start by creating a new project here. Then upload the frame we download from Pinterest and this image, upload media, and then I'm going to just paste a prompt that will create the start frame. And I'm going to just add the image to the prompt and then just change this to image frame 62 to 9 and then just enter. So this is the result we got, and I'm gonna just paste a prompt that will create the animation. Change this to video, and then I'm gonna just add the image to the prompt and then just enter. And we got the result, and this is the animation. Download here in 720p. Okay, now let's create the another frame, and I'm gonna just paste a prompt, and then I'm gonna add the reference image we have first added and enter. We got the frame. Let's paste the prompt and change this to video, and then just enter. So here is our second video, and now we gonna just download it. Download in 720p. Now we got the two animation video. Next step is converting this video to image sequence. I mean both videos. Upload the first animation video right over here, and then tap on the blue button. It says upload video. Then I'm gonna just come down and increase the frame rate to 30, and then I'm gonna just convert to JPG. Okay, just like these same steps, we're gonna do that to our second video, and I will come back after that. Okay, now we got the image assets. Next is creating a markdown file which has the implementation plan of creating the front end. And I have found this website. I mean, this is a cool portfolio website I found on awards, and I really like the simplicity this website has. Simple sections like the hero section, about section, and then there is project sections like that. It's a super simple website. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create a screen recording video of this website, and then I'm gonna create an implementation plan. And we got the screen recording video, and I'm gonna just save it. I used screen.io to create the screen recording video. Let's upload this video and create an implementation plan using ChatGPT. For that, I'm going to be adding a well-explained prompt which has everything about how we should structure everything for creating the front end. Also, this prompt will help you analyze the video very, very carefully. Paste the prompt, and this is the whole prompt, and you can find all the assets in the description. Grab it and use it. And here I'm going to just add that video file and then just enter. Copy it here, just create a new file. Okay, and then just paste the implementation plan right over here. Okay, I just improved the whole implementation plan just a little bit, and as you can see, this is the whole structure. Like the in the assets folder there is an animation folder. Inside the animation folder we can create new folders like the hero frames folder, which is the start animation, and then there is project frames, which is a second animation, and you can add more and more and more. Okay, next let's build the front end. I'm gonna just close this for now. So here I'm gonna just paste the prompt and add that implementation plan we have just created. Add that, and then I'm gonna just build it. So this is the result we got, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove everything and then we're gonna add that animation. To add that animation, we need to add that image sequence to the folder, right? Oh, here I'm gonna just go to the assets. So in the assets, it's having created a folder for animation. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just add a file, new file, and just I'm gonna go move this to assets, and here I'm gonna just rename it to uh, anime. Wait, small letter, okay? Animation, okay? Animations, and here I'm gonna just add all the image sequence. So here I'm gonna just add the start hero frames, and here, okay, and next we're gonna add that project frames. Okay, we have added both, as you can see. Okay, right now we have arranged it right, and I'm gonna just save it. Okay, now let's just add that animation. I'm gonna just paste a prompt, and then I'm gonna just select the sections, and then I'm gonna just enter. So there is some internal error. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just go to code and then export it to Antigravity. Export. And it's finally done. So as you can see, this is the whole structure, and in the assets you can see there is an animation folder. Inside that you can find the heroes frames and the project frames. Those are the image sequence we have created. You can add more and more frames under the animations folder, okay, as much as you want. And I'm gonna just show you the result. So, and this is the result we got. So as you can see, when we scroll, you can see the subjects are moving. That's the second animation. And when we scroll down and when we come to this section, you can see the camera is moving forward and the cards are playing. As you can see, it's working really fine now. Okay, cool. This is how you can add two animation video in a website, and I have also shown you how to structure them. And yeah, hope you have cleared that confusion you had. And if you have more doubts, then just comment in the video. I will just create a separate video for that particular problem. Okay, if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I will see you again in next awesome video next time. Thank you for watching.